Here's why the Washington Capitals sucks, in my opinion. It literally sounds like this. Woo, 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 woo. It's terrible. And, if you have it on in the car, you actually might think it is, there's a cop behind you or something else. And especially that if you're in that stadium, then you get scared. That's what I would do. But that should be changed. It should be just like this. And a goal song. That's just so obnoxious and unnecessary. I believe that they should change it. And that's why the Washington Capitals goal horn sucks, in my opinion. No disrespect toward the Washington Capitals if you're watching this. It's no disrespect. It's just that I think you should change it. I'm not trying to be mean here, but it's just obnoxious. So, bye guys. Have a good day.